Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. In today's video, we're taking a look at the all-terrain KneeRover. Now to go ahead and use the KneeRover, we'll simply just place our knee right on the knee pad there. We'll go ahead and grab the handlebar, and on the right side, you can see we have that handbrake. Now the seat where you rest your knee does have a little bit of a valley to it, so it's gonna hold your knee in place, and it's also a very comfortable seat. The handlebar and seat can both be adjusted to fit a rider's height just right. Now the front of the KneeRover has this detachable basket which can easily be lifted off if needed, but it actually has a lot of storage space in here. Now let's talk about the most important part, and that is the wheels here. Now these wheels have a good grip to them. You can see they've got very thick and deep tread, and they feel almost like a miniature mountain bike tire. Even the back wheel is made the same way, and one thing that's great about all of these tires is you can actually go ahead and fill them up with a standard tire pump. Overall, I think this KneeRover does an excellent job of navigating tough terrain, and for that reason, I highly recommend it. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.